show you guys how I am about to style these clip-ins. Now these clip-ins are from Curl Queen and I want to put some curls in them. Right now they are straight. So here is how the bag looks. It's really soft, it's like a soft satin. And here is the hair, y'all. Now I've only used this hair one time, so let me go ahead and take out a piece for you guys to show you guys how it looks. So here is the clip-in hair. It comes with a lot of different pieces. You guys can see it is very pretty. It's super long and we are going to be curling this up today. So stay tuned if you want to see how I curl my clip-ins. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with curling this piece. So you can see here, I got these off of Amazon. What I'm gonna do, I have this idea that I can place it in here and then this is like my workstation. The first product that I wanna go in with is the cocoa water from Kiara Care. This is just going to give some movement, rehydration back into the hair. And then we're gonna work in that spray. I have some jumbo clips here so we can start separating the hair out. I think we can fit 3 rollers on here. I'm gonna show you guys the rollers in 1 second. So the hair that I'm not working with, all I'm gonna do is just clip it up and out the way. Now, my styling product is from Storm. This is a 100% organic plant-based product. They're called Plant Made. So all I'm gonna do is go ahead and take, let's start with like 4 pumps. And we're gonna work that into the hair. Nice and gently. Ooh, it smells really good. Okay, so it did a good job, but I definitely see it's not fully hydrated. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit more on this section right here. All right, cool. Now I'm going in with my Annie brush. This is an ergonomical brush, I believe, like up and down. So all I'm gonna do is just take it. You can use any detangling brush. I just like this one. And look how easy I am able to glide the brush right through the hair. Okay, now all I'm gonna do is take my roller. This is the roller that we're gonna be using. I wanted them a little bit more on the jumbo side because we have a lot of hair to cover. It's really important when you're wrapping, you wanna wrap over the ends, and that's gonna secure the whole entire rod. Now I'm like pressing down a little bit while I'm going up. I'm rolling all the way up till I can't anymore. All right, y'all, so our first one is done. Let's go ahead and take it off. It was a little bit of a struggle just trying to figure it out, but once we got it, we definitely got it. Okay, before we continue, I'm gonna try to fix the sound of the wire hanger hitting the railing because it's driving me crazy. This is called Hook and Loop Fastener Adhesive Strips because I don't have double-sided tape. So let's just see if these work. And hopefully this comes off of my railing. I'm gonna put everything on the wire rack, actually. Okay, and then hopefully, prayerfully, this will stick. All right, so I'm taking off the backing and I'm doing that on both sides. We are completely like just trying to figure it out because I could not bear to take that sound. And I know if I can't take it, then y'all can't take it. All right, we're gonna do a test run to see if that helps at all. I'm gonna go ahead and just respray. We're gonna restart. Respraying our hair. Y'all, I don't hear anything. This is amazing. Look at Aaliyah just figuring it out, friend. The ends really should look like that. Like everything's kind of together. See? You can kind of hear it. It's taking a little bit of time to like get the mousse really in there. And I think that's just because it's real hair. Really press firmly on those ends. Pressing firmly because it makes the hair straight. And then I'm rolling up, making sure no hair spills over. There we go. All right, y'all. We are doing good, friend. Look at this. Okay. Look at these. We are doing really, really good. This is how they all look. They're all really nice and secure. I probably am thinking about doing this one over again because it's just like, no, it's fine. So the audio went out, but once I was done, I allowed these to dry overnight, and then I did put them under my hooded dryer for about an hour to an hour and a half just to make sure that they were 100% dry before I started to take them down. Now, I am finally ready to take them down. I was so nervous about this part because I just didn't know if the curls were going to hold, but to my surprise, the curls held up really nice as I started to take down the rods. Now, in my opinion, you are going to want to do this a little bit slow because these curls are delicate. Make sure you're just taking them down one at a time, and then I like to wrap it around my finger just to make sure everything is nice and slick. And I'm also just double checking to make sure that they're 100% dry, because if they're not, the curls will start to fall. And you can see that they're so bouncy, they're so shiny, and that's exactly what rods and rollers are going to do, especially because this is high quality hair as well. It just looks really good. Unfortunately, some of the perm rods did break, but that's totally fine. I'm just continuing to unravel all of my rods because I don't know how much hair I'm going to actually need to use. So I wanted to make sure that I had more than enough hair to cover my entire head. Here's how everything looks now, and now I'm ready to install. And like I said, y'all, I'm so sorry. The audio went out. I don't know what happened, but I'm going to just go ahead and do a little voiceover so you guys can see how I'm starting. Now, I like to measure out my section first. Once I see that it's good to go, then I can go ahead and clip it down. Now you have to pop the clamps open, and then once you secure it to your head, you pop it in place and secure it down. So I am again just measuring everything out to make sure it's all even. I do have braids in. I just bobby pin them up some type of way so they will be out of the way, and I'm starting to work through my hair going all the way up. So guess who just realized that they were recording in slow motion and there's going to be no audio because my camera has this really stupid slow motion feature. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out, I'm just gonna do a voiceover for the part that you guys can't hear. Okay, we're gonna make it work. I'm trying to figure out how to hide the clip-ins. I have no idea, and I really don't feel like looking up like a video. So I'm like, can I just like flip it over and pin it down some type of way? Like that doesn't look good, but we're gonna figure it out. Okay, because that's just what we do. We're gonna figure it out, how to hide these clip-ins and how to make it look pretty at the top, because I have no idea. Okay, y'all, so this is what I had to come up with because I watched a few videos on how to hide the clip-ins at the top of your head, and a lot of women were using a crochet needle to like weave it through. I don't have a crochet needle, but I do have a beautiful silk scarf though, okay? Had to make it work. Now the curls did fall a little bit, but it still has body and wave and flow to it. If I was going to do this hairstyle again, maybe I would use like some type of holding spray or something, because I have no holding spray in my hair. But I do like that the curls have body and movement and flow, which is really, really cute. So yeah, so this is what we're looking like. This is what the hair looks like in the back. So that's what we look like in the back. This is what we look like in the front. I think the hairstyle is super cute. I'll probably go out and invest in a crochet needle so I can figure out how to do the front of my head. But for right now, this is fine. I think this is a really cute style. This is a really cute style. I think that it's nice and wavy and pretty. I will definitely have the clip-ins linked below. Again, they're by Curl Clean. So you guys can go out and get these clip-ins. It's human hair, so you can add heat to it if you want to dye it, if you want to cut it, if you want to straighten it, whatever you want to do, if you want to curl it. And I'm really happy with my results. I really do like the Curl Queen's hair clip-ins. I think that they are high quality clip-ins. They're real hair, so you definitely can be versatile with this hairstyle and just do a lot with it. So I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my day. I'm really happy that you guys got a chance to watch this video. Of course, if you did love this video, then I would recommend watching this video next, and I will see you guys in the next one. My name is Aaliyah. This is As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you on the next one. Deuces.